In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Airbnb and Booking.com calendars. If you list the same property on both platforms, syncing your calendars is an important step. It helps prevent double bookings by making sure reserved dates and blocked dates carry over between Airbnb and Booking.com. The process works by exporting a calendar link from one platform, importing it into the other, and then doing the same in reverse so both calendars stay connected. Start by going to Airbnb and signing into your host account. Once you're logged in, switch to hosting mode so you can access your listing management tools. From there, go to listings and select the property you want to sync. Make sure you choose the correct listing, especially if you manage more than one property. Next, open the calendar for that listing. Inside the calendar area, look for availability settings or an option labeled Sync Calendars. The wording can vary slightly depending on the layout Airbnb is showing you, but you're looking for the section where calendar connections are managed. Once you find it, choose Export Calendar and copy your Airbnb iCal calendar link. This link is what Booking.com will use to read your Airbnb availability. Now sign in to your Booking.com extranet and open the Rates and Availability section for the same property. From there, navigate to the Calendar Synchronization settings. In that area, import the Airbnb iCal link you just copied. This connects Airbnb availability into Booking.com, so Booking.com can recognize dates that are already reserved or blocked on Airbnb. After that, stay in the Booking.com extranet and copy your Booking.com iCal calendar link. You'll need the second link to complete the sync in the opposite direction. Once you have it copied, return to Airbnb. Go back to the calendar sync area, select Import Calendar, paste the Booking.com iCal link, and save your changes. This allows Airbnb to read availability from Booking.com as well. At this point, the two platforms should be connected both ways. The final step is to verify that everything is syncing correctly. Check that reservations and blocked dates appear on each platform as expected. It can sometimes take a little time for updates to reflect, so if you don't see changes immediately, give it a moment and check again. That's all it takes to connect Airbnb and Booking.com